What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about PEPE. Folks, a lot to cover in today's video, so let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, folks. We are seeing right in front of our eyes one of the biggest bull markets forming. Right now, there is so much to be bullish on. We already know the news of the past. BTC got the ETF, a lot of liquidity started getting injected into the market, and now we have an Ethereum ETF that is on the horizon. It got approved. So there's a lot to be excited about. You guys know the name of the game when it comes to cryptocurrency. It is all about liquidity. It's a game of musical chairs. That's the analogy that I like to make. And you have to find a place to sit. And right now, there are a lot of chairs that are entering the market. So there's going to be a lot of liquidity and a lot of places to sit, so to speak. And what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to position myself to potentially get the most X's out of this market, squeeze every last drop out of this market. So this is my game plan. What I'm doing is I'm using tokens, coins as pulse checks, kind of getting a feel for the market. And the best way to do that is to look at Ethereum and BTC. Now, we already know Ethereum has been on an absolute rip over the past several months, especially over the past several weeks. So there's a lot to be hyped up about. But when it comes to making potential X's, right now, Ethereum's market cap is sky high. When this liquidity starts getting injected into the market, the normies start coming in, the ETF gets approved, a lot of people are going to be looking at tokens like Ethereum, like BTC, in order to make safe money. To call them coins. But is that where that huge 10x potential is going to be? Not necessarily. You have to look at tokens that have a much lower market cap in order to find that 10x potential, because the chances of Ethereum going to $38,000 per Ethereum in this specific bull market are very low. Now, if you're just one of those people that are like, hey, I just want to buy something, hold it, not have to look at it ever again, yeah, then you might consider buying something like a Bitcoin or an Ethereum or some of these tokens that are in the top 10. That's fine. But if you're somebody that's like, hey, I want to be keeping up with the market, looking at these charts, looking at the data, looking at how things are going to play out over the next several months, more short term, then you want to be looking at meme coins. That is where the big X's are going to come, in my opinion. So tokens like PEPE. PEPE is one of these memes that has kind of cemented its name into the market right now. So it's this mix, and we saw the exact same thing with Shiba Inu. It's this mix of meme and a safe play. You know that it's not going to disappear overnight, so you can sleep soundly, but you know it has that huge 10x potential where you can put your money in and potentially get a lot of money out. But of course, with great returns comes great risk. And so that's the trade-off here when it comes to tokens like PEPE. But if you want to get even more degen, you just look at tokens that have a smaller and smaller and smaller market cap. So that is what I'm doing. Right now, I'm looking at Ethereum, I'm looking at Bitcoin, getting that pulse check. PEPE is my quote unquote safe, but kind of still risky type meme play that could potentially do maybe a 5 or a 10x in this bull run. And then as we go down the line, looking at tokens that are sub $1 billion market cap, that is where huge potential lies, folks, for that big 100x potential. And those tokens, those coins, that's where we're going to make a majority of our money in this bull market. But that being said, those tokens that you're investing in, you have to watch them very carefully because they have a lot of volatility. And so for me, I'm using these super low market cap tokens to make money trading on a week-to-week basis. Some of these with $100, $200, $300 million market cap, more on the order of months. And then we got PEPE, our safe meme play. That is more of like a whole or all of 2024 type vibe. And then Ethereum and Bitcoin are, of course, that's where we just store money that we don't really want to touch, in my opinion. So a lot to be excited about, folks. A lot of money to be made in this market, but we have to position ourselves carefully. And you also have to understand, keeping up with that musical chairs analogy, eventually the music is going to stop. And you want to make sure that you have a seat at the table so that you can position yourself for the next bull run. But a lot to be hyped up about. I think we are just getting started in terms of this bull run. We have a lot higher to go, in my opinion. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Make sure you drop a like, comment down below what meme tokens are you investing in that are going to make you that potential 100x in this coming bull run. Please keep in mind, folks, nothing I say in these videos is financial advice. Please, I beg you, Go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, because these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Stay safe out there, folks. I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out the scene, folks. Peace out.